Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to access and use the Microsoft Word's compatibility checker to check compatibility with prior versions of Word, as well as different file formats that may have been used to open up Word documents in the past. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left, and go down and select where it says Info. On the right side, you want to go and select where it says Check for Issues and click inside this box. Where it says Check Compatibility, check for features not supported by earlier versions of Word. And it'll give you a list of various issues and occurrences throughout your Word document, and you can go ahead and make those adjustments accordingly if you have to. And if you click the drop down here, you can see various versions to show. So compatibility issues with Word 97 through 2003, Word 2007, as well as Word 2010. Pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.